Hello, class. Well, today we're talking about triangle congruence theorems. And the activity for today involves this website on illuminations.nctm.org. Okay, there's going to be a link to it on your paper and also be one up in Moodle. When you get here, you're going to see this blue box here. It's going to say, choose 3 elements to make a triangle. And you have your choice. You can choose side AB, BC, or AC. You got angles A, B, and C. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and pick any 3 elements. It will not let you choose more than 3. Okay, if you click on one, you want to re-choose it or unchoose it, choose something else, you can do that here. And at the top here, it gives you this phrase here. This says angle, angle, side. Okay, so I've got angle and one side. If I switch it over here, choose that. Maybe it's angle, angle, angle. Okay. Maybe it's angle, angle, side here. Maybe I go side, side, angle. Okay. All different ways you can play around with it. So right now I've got side, side, angle. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my 2 sides here. Okay. The like letters have to go with each other. So B's got to connect to B. Okay. And C's got to connect to C. Like that. I'm going to bring this around here. Like so. And what do you know? There I go. I've got a triangle. Now, it gave me another set of elements, okay? Like this side, PE is the same as BA. Okay, SE is the same as BC, and angle S would be the same as angle C. Okay, these are congruent elements. Now it wants me to make another triangle, okay? Another triangle. So I'm going to do that around here. Okay, boom. Remember, the elements have to go right on top of each other. So there you go. Now I've got angle E there. So now I've got two triangles made up of the same elements, but I've got 2 triangles that are congruent. Take a look. This pink triangle doesn't look anything like this blue triangle. Okay, so from this, I'm going to note on my paper that side, side angle, okay, side, side angle does not prove that a triangle is congruent. Just because they got 2 sides and 1 angle that's not included, that does not mean you've got an angle, a triangle that's, or a pair of triangles that are congruent. Okay, this would be no. So you're going to go through the permutations that are on your paper there. Okay, make sure it says the same thing here as it does on the table on your paper. Okay, and from there, you're going to play around with it and see if you can make congruent triangles. There are going to be certain setups, okay, certain different things here where when you put them in, you can't make anything but congruent triangles. And there are going to be some where, well, you can make congruent triangles. When you're all set, have me take a look at it, and I'll look at your work. Thank you.